All right, August the 2nd, 2024. I'm back on my Beaver. Introduction. Jeff from RV Diagnostics, for those that don't know me. Thank you very much for subscribing and giving me likes and put comments down there. Like, hey, I don't understand what you said. All right, 'cause believe me, I respond. My Facebook page is 33,000 members. My YouTube channel is over 7,500, and I'm getting ready to sit down this evening and pick out 40 people out of 1,500 to give away $6,800 worth of one free year membership. That's 12 months at $170. That's where I do one-on-one with you. It's very successful. There's a lot of people that are enjoying it. There's some people been with me 6 years. So, all right, so let's get on with this RV. I took out that cabinet yesterday. I talked about how to do it. Now this one, I just take the wires that goes to the light and cut them. And these are the multiple light system and fan control, and right. So I've been taking these ties down, cable secures. All right, now I'll get all this junk out of here. But notice how I cut the wires different length. So when I put the butt connectors, and I still seal them up in here. All right, so I'm gonna pull that through, but first has to come the microwave. So basically, there's a couple ways to do it. One, I'm using a standard, and it's a 7/16. Remember, I'm a fanatic about 6 points, and those are right here on top. There's two of them. Now, I'll call them the top hangers, because this does not have, like some RVs, the microwave slides into a cabinet, all right, and that's supported. So this is a top hanger. It has no support on the bottom except for the back angle bracket, U-bracket, right there. It's up in there, see it? Right there, that little piece there, just like a house microwave. Well, this is basically. It's a convection oven, microwave. All right, the other one is, had to take this face plate off. There's a screw here, and these one there and one there. It takes that off, and it gives me access to that nut right there. It's a self-locking nut, so it's spinning. All right, so basically I'm going to take these nuts down, supported here. I'm going to put a piece of block of wood here. Once the nuts and bolts get out of there, then I can lower it down. I put this from the shelving unit I took off so my Corian cabinet don't get messed up, and this one has a little carpet on it. All right, then I'll go down, and then I'll take the microwave maybe back here in the bedroom or there. All right, so that's got to come down first. So I think this is video. All right, thank you for subscribing. Right, and I think what I'll do is look at giving it away 50 memberships to my website, www.rvdiagnostics101, for the next 1,500 subscribers. So that'll put me at what, 9,000 subscribers. So you'll be seeing that on there. If you didn't get it this time, hang in there, you might get it. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics, and congratulations to those 40 members that won. You'll be seeing it on my Facebook page, RV Diagnostics, and also however you signed up for the YouTube. When you did, they gave you a fictitious name, or you picked one. I'll be getting a hold of you on that. So, and I'm going to give you about 90 days to claim it. All right, because people, you know, we get sick, we get injured, we have personal problems, family members, and then every now and then we go, oh, let's see what's in the email or YouTube or RV Diagnostics. So 90 days to claim your prize. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. This is a continuation video of internal, external, and wiper seal, internal wiper seal on a Beaver. All right, basically Beaver, Safari Motor Company, and some of the older Monicos that did not use toppers. This had a built-in gutter, and when I get outside, I'll show you what I mean. I don't have a topper. They didn't do that back in. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics.